Take 3. Any second now. Here we go.
Boy.
Arms out.
This is weird. Oh boy.
And we are off on Manta at SeaWorld. Are you excited, Ian?
I think.
This is a very strange sensation. Just laying on the restraint.
I just feel like I'm hanging here like a dead person, you know.
And here we go, off the lift hill. Up we go.
There is nothing down below me. Oh my
And just
goodness.
below us is a big drop. We're about 100 feet off the ground, I'd say. Probably 150 by now.
Thank you.
And here we go.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness!
Oh God!
Oh my goodness! What was that? Whoa! Oh, there's Penguin Jack. Whoa!
Oh God!
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! This is insane!
This is crazy.
Whoa! Whoa! Water! Oh! Oh! I'm wet! My legs are wet!
I got wet.
Whoa!
Oh!
What just happened?
Oh my God!
That was insane!
Oh man!
That pretzel loop was insane. Oh my goodness gracious. What'd you think about that, Ian?
It was
Wow.
so crazy. I have never done anything like that.
I think I made like the ugliest face in the world. I was like,
oh man.
And that is Manta at SeaWorld Orlando. Great ride. Really incredible. Thumbs up.